I love you. Ang aking mga sinampay, basa pa kasi ulan ng ulan, guys. I think this is the second day. Oh. Medyo malakas na naman ang ulan. How sexy lady. Aklam kan show. So guys, what's your secret? What's my secret, guys? Yan siya daw. Ito tayo ng lunch, guys. Meron kaming appointment today. Punta kami sa police station. Papakulong na natin si Nadira. Hindi. Kasi nag-apply kami ng pay clearance, diba? Para sa kanya. Kasi yun yung isa sa mga requirements para sa temporary residence visa. Ang aming appointment is 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Kaya may time pa tayo magluto. Then after that, kailangan namin mag-start na mag-empake kasi nga day after tomorrow ay pupunta na tayo ng Jensan. So, empake na naman ang mga gamit. Meron pa pala kaming chicken sa fridge, guys. Kaya niluto na kasi gusto namin ubusin lahat ng mga nasa freezer bago kami pumunta ng Jensan para wala na tayong bit-bitin na mga karne. Gulay okay lang, pero karne mahirap, malayo ang biyahe, diba? Baka mag-defrost sa daan, masira pa. Pero ang natira lang naman, guys, ano na lang, chorizo at saka hotdog. So, pwede yan breakfast bukas or dinner mamaya. Magandang umaga.
Good morning.
Maayong
Apo? Nade?
Still morning. Maayong buntag. Trabaho muna si Daddy Ram. Si Ryan ay naliligo. Yes, Nana? Non-veg masala na lang, guys. Then, it's done. Hungry?
Maybe.
What? Maybe? What kind of answer?
I'm full, but I'm hungry.
What is that?
Because of the chicken curry.
It's full, but still you want to eat.
Such nice smell.
Just bring all the documents.
Yeah, carry all this better.
Just in case. We put it in the car only, right? What you will wear? Shoes?
Shoes are good, leather shoes.
9 minutes away lang yung police station, guys, and it's still raining. Where is our umbrella, Daddy Ram, huh? You think it's in the bag?
Maybe another bag, not this bag.
Oh, the big one. Naku po, wala kaming payong. Lagi kami nagdadala nag-transfer ng bag, so nakalimutan. Online ako nagpa-appointment, guys, and then online na din yung bayad. So dito sa police station, biometrics lang ni Daddy Ram. And after this, maghihintay daw ng siguro mga isang buwan bago makuha yung police clearance. Yung sabi nila. Pero let's clarify it kung posible na earlier, di ba? May parking kaya? Is this the one?
It's on the other police station, then next to that one, maybe.
Maybe.
You need to park somewhere here. I really wear this shoe, seriously. Did not expect this. Can I park here? Can you get down, guys? Maybe
Okay,
fast.
okay. We have our payo. Nandito pala. Nakakaloka, guys. Wala silang internet daw. Kaya hindi sila pwedeng mag-accept ng mga applicants today. And kailangan ko pang ipa-reschedule yung aming appointment. Ano ba yan? Umuulan kaya walang internet. Ganyan, di ba? Sa bahay namin dati umuulan, wala namang internet. Ay nako. So punta lang kami sa Zoofari para may batang sumaya. Diana?
Yay.
Fulfilling our promise.
Yay.
Yay ka dyan. Happy na yarn. Nakikita na ang kanyang pinapangarap. Oo, katabi ng Mang Inasal. Ay, naku, Daddy Ram. Bye! See you later! Enjoy! Put your socks on. Bye! Enjoy! Katrabaho lang kami, guys. Habang hinihintay si Ryan, nag-research lang ako, kaya aking ginagamit ay ang aking phone lang. Si Daddy Ramo nakabantay sa kanyang charts. Tapos na kaming kumain. Si Ryan pagkatapos nung maglaro, 2 oras namin siyang nilagay doon. So, mag-ano yan. Nagsasabing gutom siya pagkatapos niyang maglaro doon. Nung last time na nag-Zoofari siya, 1 oras lang. So, nakulangan siya, sabi niya. Gusto niya little longer daw. Wala naman tayong masyadong ganap. So, sabi namin, okay, mag-enjoy ka. Habang kami ay nag-iitay dito. Ayaw na namin maglakad-lakad, guys. Kasi nalibot na namin ang mga SM, di ba? So, dito lang kami at umuupo pagkatapos kumain. Shall I go roam around? Are you gonna stay here?
Oh, I'm only wait. Wanna go? No, right. I'm not scared of it.
You're scared. I'm gonna buy some.
Huh?
I'm gonna buy something.
That's
That's what happened? What is that? Come on. How many friends you met? Super sweet.
Like, say 5?
5.
5 or 7?
t-shirt there.
5 or 7. What is he saying?
I was there actually first 1 hour only, but you extended 2 hours. It's not me, he said. What do you want to eat?
Gutom na daw siya. Ha?
Gutom?
KFC. Officially member ng SM, guys, ang Sana family. Magkakampi kami. Ay, si Daddy Ram lang pala kasi kumain na ito si Ryan at saka ako. Dito ako kumuha ng SM card. Bili daw siya ng brownies.
Really good. Even the other should be the one over there. Yeah.
Is it? He ordered also there at hotdog shop. This is black coffee, Daddy.
Americano.
Americano. Enjoy your bitter coffee.
Let me see.
Smells good.
I think they gave 2 dishes.
so thrilling your brownie.
Oh, it smells so nice. If I got, if you gave me like 200, I could get 2. But then I gave 100, so I only can get 1.
Clean your hands.
That also we can have.
Nako, ang bitter naman itong kape mo, Daddy Ram.
Supposed to be like that.
So good.
So good.
He's teasing us. You don't understand. It's always much more. Sometimes it's not nice and so oh my god, Daddy, whatever you order, you know? Oh, this is so good. Give me a bite, man. Give me a bite, small bite.
I need more.
You need more?
5 pesos is not enough.
I can buy that. You will lose the 5 pesos also.
10 pesos. Fine.
Okay, I owe you 5.
What is that?
Don't complain, my bite may be bigger.
Baby. Stop teasing him. Ang kulit ng dalawa, guys. Sobrang kulit. Ganyan sila lagi.
Just because you are shooting, that's why. Otherwise, I would have bite half of it and finished to it.
Then he will cry. For sure.
You bought 95.
You
I paid 10,
buy
I need
again.
to pay.
Gamit na agad ni Daddy Ram ang SM card. Huh? What Daddy and you secret? Tell me. I think you have. Tell me please. Gabi na guys. Alas 7 na. Oh. Bumili si Daddy Ram nito kasi pag nagmamaneho siya guys, masakit daw ang kanyang likod. So, nakita na niyan, binili niya. Done, boys?
Done. It's better actually. See, give it a time, you'll know. Usually I'm driving like I drive 1 hour straight, right? I can really feel the pain.
Sasakyan namin sa India guys, hindi naman sumasakit ang likod ni Daddy Ram kahit pa 8 hours 11 hours drive pa uwi ng probinsya, hindi sumasakit yung likod niya. Ewan ko, siguro sa shape ng upuan dito sa sasakyan nila mama, nag-a-adjust pa siya. Mahaba yung biyahe natin papuntang Jensen, diba? Sana makatulong ang pillow. Yun man kasi ang nahanap namin. Alam ko may proper pillow sa Shopee. We'll check it out also, baby.
Yeah.
Yung ano talaga, di ba? Para sa sasakyan. Dito na kami sa bahay, guys. And let's start packing. Tomorrow, punta kami sa bahay namin. So, hindi na kayo masyado magluluto. We can pack everything and be free tomorrow. Okay na lang?
Yeah.
Wala naman kami masyadong gamit. Majority of the things sa sa condo na, doon sa may-ari ng condo. So, basically, some kitchen stuff and what is that?
Ryan posted it in
Kitchen stuff and mga damit lang. So it won't really take that much time. Yan ay grinder at saka air fryer, guys. Yan lang ang aming talagang sariling gamit sa kusina. Yung mga rice cooker, hindi amin yan. And yun, yung mga spices and all. That's it. Wala masyado. Ryan, I want you to fix your Legos, okay?
Okay.
May mga gamit dyan aming ipapack din. As much as possible guys, hindi kami masyadong namimili ng mga gamit-gamit aside sa mga groceries, ganun. Kasi we want to travel light. Eh, gusto naming mag-move around, diba? Sa Philippines. Yeah. So, ayaw namin ng maraming bit-bit. Kaya, ang aming mga gamit ay, kung ano lang yung dinala namin, galing sa India, yun lang ang aming bit-bit. Papuntang Jensan. So, hindi masyadong marami. Can you imagine? Ilang kilos lang yung bit-bit namin from India. We manage it well.
Oh, see, Papa.
Check everywhere, Nana. You're playing all over the house with your Legos. Maybe something is missing.
Oh,
So you need to check.
This one? Okay, yeah.
Yeah, because this one needs big bag. You have tissue, right? With the bag. Right.
No need, maybe.
No need because occupying more space.
Yeah. Small stuff we can put there. Then we'll see what we can put there more like
Tomorrow we have, right?
Yeah. Ang aking boys, tapos na sila guys. Ako malapit na din matapos. Ito na lang. Pero, may mga nilabhan pa ako, diba? Nandoon pa na sampayan. Parang dumami ata ang aking damit. Meron akong binili sa Shopee. Ito, galing ito sa Shopee ang pagtulog ko. Then, ibang shirts, mga 5 t-shirt ata yun. Kaya medyo nadagdagan konti ang ating damit. Kasi wala akong masyadong dinala from India. Mga t-shirt. Pero okay lang yan. Magkakasya ito. Diba? Sakto lang. Done? Very good. Yan yung kanya, guys. May sariling maleta. So, tira-tirang ulam, guys. Oh, ito. Ulam kagabi. Yan. Ulam kaninang lunchtime.
Leftovers.
Yes. But still so yummy. Ryan, why you like that Zufari?
Because it's very fun. I make many friends there. That would make it even more fun. Because usually, sometimes I play alone.
But you fell down in Jufari. There's nothing but suddenly fell down. Why?
Daddy, why do you need to open that up, Daddy? Ryan, someone invited you, right?
Yeah.
His birthday when?
Like March 23 or 22. And
So his birthday will be in Zafari. Do you have invitation?
You don't even know his name.
Daddy, he forgot the name. We'll just go there on that day. Then, if it's his birthday, good. If it's not, then he will just play regular, right?
Yeah, regular.
Like, we'll pay, then Ryan will go and play, right?
Make friends and play.
Still long way to go. Maybe we'll be back by that time here in Davao. Okay?
Yeah.
Someone is loving Nagaraya. Daddy, I want to eat Nagaraya also. I want to eat also Nagaraya. I love that one.
This one? Yeah, take.
You forgot?
Oh, yeah, your peanut.
I have allergy sa peanut. Nakakainis naman, oy.
What I just...
Yeah. But I have boy bawang here. Yes.
Boy bawang.
You want boy bawang?
Of course. I love this one.
Oh, you can have it also.
I'll eat it later.
Okay. I'll give you boy bawang. 1 minute.
That's all for today, guys. Like, share, subscribe, like, share, and the bell icon. Bye. See you bukas. Peace.